Hey everyone, today I want to share one of the most comforting and hopeful verses in the Bible, Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. This verse is truly powerful, especially in times of uncertainty. Let's break it down. First, God's plans for you. This verse is a testament to God's immense love and his active role in our lives. He's not a distant observer. He has intricate plans for each of us, designed for our good and flourishing. Next, plans to prosper you. God's plans aim to bring us prosperity, but not just in material wealth. It's about thriving in all areas of life. Our relationships, health, purpose, and spiritual growth. And finally, plans to give you hope and a future. God's plans are dynamic, offering us hope and a bright future. He sees beyond our present struggles and is constantly at work crafting a future filled with his blessings for those who trust in him. This verse is a beacon of comfort and assurance, especially when life feels overwhelming. It reminds us that even when we can't see the way forward, God is behind the scenes, weaving a tapestry of love and hope. Remember, my friends, even amidst life's challenges, God's love and his plans for your future remain constant and unchanging. May these words bring you peace and comfort and remind you that you are never alone. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.